Trash Talk!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, this is another bag video. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also drop a comment, give me a big thumbs up. Welcome to the family. So I have started a bag collection. Well, I won't say just started. I've been collecting bags for a while, and there is this black owned brand that I really enjoy. It's TELFAR. It's T-E-L-F-A-R. TELFAR. And I just wanted to go over a quick unboxing, which I'll insert the clip here, of the medium size bag that I got. And again, this is the medium size. I have all three, and I'm going to show you the small, the medium, and the large. And just a quick what's inside, what it looks like, how durable they are, the old version versus the new version. Because the smaller one now has a longer strap, and there's two vendors that I know you can get them from TELFAR.com, and also Essence has it. Some people call it Sense, but it's S in Sense. Essence. I'll put both of those links in the comment section so you guys can go ahead and purchase them if you like it. I also have a code that I can give you to receive 15% off, and yeah, join the TELFAR family. So let's just get straight into it. I'm gonna grab the bags and show you the difference. All right, so first up we have the small TELFAR bag. This is the small gray one. That's what it looks like. Pretty cool. I actually this was my first one, and I was like, okay, well, this is kind of small. Now the newer ones have a long strap. The strap is super long, and I would have preferred to have a strap that long, just cause it's just a little more convenient if you want to have a shoulder bag. This you can't really put on your shoulder. Like, you can't have it as a crossbody. It's just too small. It's more so of a handbag. So this will definitely be the bag that you'll just put small things in. I'll show you guys what mostly I can fit in here. That's what it looks like on the inside. This one doesn't have a pocket because it's so small. Chapstick, my keys, and some other things. So this is the small bag. And again, the newer ones have a longer strap. I would definitely suggest getting the newer one. You'll know because the strap even looks longer on here. Or if you prefer to carry it like this, then there you go. So we're gonna get onto the medium one, the one you guys seen in the unboxing. Now this is the medium one. This one is clearly gonna be my favorite because it's a good size. It's black. It's so sexy. It's very sleek looking, still masculine even though it's a bag. And I'm just for sure that it's gonna be my favorite. Now the strap is really long. Well, not really long, but it's long enough to where you can have it on your shoulder as a crossbody bag, or you can have it on one side. So this is the inside of the bag. As you can see, it has a zipper. The logo is inside of there. It is pretty spacious. It's big enough for a laptop bag. As you can see, I put my laptop in it, so I use it as a laptop travel bag. Or even if I'm just going out and about, I'll put some stuff in it, and it's very big and nice. This is the last one. It is my big mama. That's what I call her. As you can see, the zipper was super long in it, and it's big enough to fit a lot of stuff. I fit a whole picnic blanket in here. I love this bag. It's definitely a travel bag, and I've taken it all over with me. So here is all three bags pretty much next to each other. We have the big one, my big mama, the medium sized one, my new favorite, and then we also have the mini one, which is my first love. So that's pretty much all of them. They range from about $150 to $300, so they're pretty affordable as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Go ahead and check out TELFAR and Essence. They have the bags on their website, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Give me some suggestions of what bags you'd like to see. I would love to get into high-end and designer bags. You know, we want to see more of the big mamas and good stuff like that. But that I need a little more money for that. I need a little more time. Just saying. But as always, guys, until next time, I'm out.